Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will check how our Linux user knows. To start, open the terminal in Linux. To see the logged in users, we are going to run the who command. To see only the current user, run the whoami command. Now, it is possible to use an environment variable to view the current user. Then, to see the current user and its details, we execute the letter W. Then, to see user details like ID, groups, etc., we execute the ID user command. To view a user's groups, we run groups user. To access a user's registered information, we will execute the finger user command. You can see all the details of this user. Then, we can run the user's command to see the logged in users. To see the last accesses, run the last command. You will have complete details of each user's access. To see a summary of users with their last login, run the lastlog command. You will be able to see if the user is logged in or not. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.